How to turn on ghost mode in Snapchat. So what you're gonna do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application, and of course it will lead you here to your camera section. Now on the upper left you'll see your Bitmoji there. Click on that Bitmoji and scroll down up until you see the snap map here. Now click on that snap map, and as you can see it will lead you here where you are currently located. Now on the upper right you'll see the gear icon or the settings icon. Click on that, and here you'll see the very first option that says ghost mode. Now once you enable your ghost mode, your friends can see your last active location. So your location so your location updates while you have a Snapchat open. So let's say you want to turn on your ghost mode in Snapchat, just toggle that on, and then it will ask when enabled your friends can see your last locations up until for the next 3 hours or for the whole 24 hours or until you turn it off again. So let's say you want to up until you turn it off again, and basically that's it. That is how you turn on your ghost mode in Snapchat, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.